A cracked or damaged glass cooktop can make cooking unsafe and frustrating. Sharp edges, uneven heating, and broken glass can quickly turn your kitchen into a hazard. The good news is that replacing the main glass cooktop is a manageable repair if you follow the right steps and work carefully. Welcome back to HnK Parts. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps for replacing a range main glass cooktop safely and correctly. Before starting any repair, always disconnect the appliance from power. Unplug the range to ensure a safe working environment. If your cooktop is installed on a countertop, locate the clamping brackets underneath. Use a screwdriver to loosen the adjustment screws and rotate the brackets inward. Once they are released, carefully lift the cooktop out of the cutout space and place it on a sturdy surface. Next, begin disassembly by removing the screws that secure the glass cooktop to the base of the unit. Once the damaged glass is removed, inspect the heating elements carefully to make sure they are not damaged and remain properly positioned. If the glass was shattered, take extra time to remove every shard that may have fallen inside the unit. A vacuum or pliers can help safely clear away broken pieces. Before installing the new glass, apply protective foam strips along the underside edges if your model requires them. This helps create a proper seal between the cooktop and the countertop. Now, carefully align the new glass cooktop onto the base and tighten the screws to secure it in place. Once installed, return the cooktop to its position on the countertop. Rotate the clamping brackets outward and tighten them against the underside of the counter. Finally, check that all electrical wires are properly connected and positioned. Plug the unit back in to restore power and complete the installation. Visit HnKparts.com for more appliance replacement parts and maintenance solutions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful repair tips. Thanks for watching.